What's up, explorers? Welcome back to our channel. We're the Choose here from Choose to Explore, where we teach you guys how to see the world
and save a dollar.
So we're here in Istanbul, Turkey to celebrate the Queen's 30th birthday. And I decided to surprise her by flying business class. So today we're going to show you guys the business class flight experience, the lounge life, and also we have about 12 hours of a stopover in Turkey, which was included in our ticket because Turkey is not our final destination. We're going somewhere after this. So if you guys want to know what to do in a stopover, what flying business class is, and what the luxury experience is from the budget travelers, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one.
That's right.
Using points, it costs us about $215 per person one way. First part of any business class experience is to first go to the lounge. So JFK Terminal 1 actually has 3 different priority pass lounges, and we've been in this lounge before, but this is our first time going there flying business class. What I love are the different food and drink options that definitely fill you up before you get on the flight. So honestly, you guys know we're budget travelers, but flying business class just now was great because we got to sleep for that long 9-hour flight. The staff was amazing. Everybody was super kind and nice to us the entire time. They gave us these Salvatore Ferragamo amenity kits, and they had a lot of different things such as socks, face mist,
eye mask, toothpaste, toothbrush, all the things you can need.
They also gave us slippers, a blanket. It's all the things that you needed in order to make sure that the flight was comfortable.
Yes, and they also made our bed. So besides the regular blanket, we also got an extra blanket, a nice pillow, lay flat. It was incredible sleep.
But honestly, the thing that I will say about Turkish business class that is different than any business class that I know is that they actually have a chef on board. So the chef actually comes out, gives you a menu, and you have many different food options. So honestly, I can say this was the best food I've ever had in the plane. Would you agree?
Me too, 100%.
Yeah. I got the wild sea bass, and you got the...
I got the gnocchi with mushrooms, but I also got so many other things. Like we had the soup that was really good. It was like carrot and coriander. It was probably my favorite thing almost.
To be honest with you guys, what I learned from my last business class experience is just to get everything and don't let them tell you no. You keep on ordering because it's a lot to go into business class.
Yeah, we kind of got one of everything, to be honest.
Every single time. So we got one of everything for our appetizers. We got one of everything for our desserts and snacks. And we just had an amazing experience. Also, I really got to catch up on a lot of movies because they had a really good movie selection, which was great. Also, I don't personally drink, but because I'm flying business class and it was all included, I got to try a local Turkish cocktail. I think it's called Raki or something, and it tastes like black licorice. Honestly, it was not for me, but I got to experience it and I ain't paid for it. So
I stuck to a nice white wine, which paired really well with my food. So they actually tell you what pairs well with what, so that's also great.
with a need for speed driver. We just got dropped off. We took the 12 on the Havaist Bus and we are here and it looks like Istanbul. I don't know the exact region, but we're about to go get a hammam. We're gonna get scrubbed.
Alright, so we just had a very incredible hammam experience. We went to Sulemaniye Hamami, and it's right here in Istanbul, and I feel like I'm brand new for 30.
I mean, I have to look at myself again to make sure that I'm still black, because I think that they scrubbed away all the skin, at least the top layer for sure. But it was a really cool experience. Unfortunately, we weren't able to record in the bath, but it's all marble. It's beautiful. We chose this one because couples are allowed to do it. A lot of the other hammam experiences, they separate men from women and they're fully nude, but this one we actually catered to couples, so it was really good. It was 75 euros per person, but it was a 90-minute experience. It was 30 minutes first in the sauna, and man, it was baking. It was so hot.
You sweat out all your toxins.
Then they go and they give us a scrubbing massage, and then it's a foam massage, and really cool.
And you're laying out on the marble, so it's really slippery, really slidey, but it's really nice. And you wear swimwear, so they provide swimwear for you.
Yeah, and then after we just kind of cooled out a little bit, and it was a lot better for me at least. But we got a complimentary drinks and just enjoyed the experience there. But we're in Istanbul. Let's go around and let's see some more of the city. Alright, so we just made it here in the Grand Bazaar, and it is so many shops here. There's so many people selling jeans, Jordans, Yeezys, Gucci, Rolexes, dresses, cologne, anything that you could think about, they selling here. Nah, see, look at him. He's trying to sell it, but I don't even want it. But they trying to sell everything here. But it's cool to be here, survive. Definitely come down here. All right, so we're in Turkey. So Liv obviously has to get the Turkish ice cream.
They really set me up.
They really set her up. They made her really work for her ice cream.
Yes, come on. Ice cream. Yes, please. Bye bye. Oh my God.
But she got the what?
Strawberry.
And it was
really good, really refreshing.
And it was 150 lira, but definitely worth the show. And we walked down the street and we made it here at the beautiful, world-famous Hagia Sophia, which is a former Byzantine church that is now one of the most iconic mosques in all of Istanbul and the world as well. But across the street is the Blue Mosque, and this one, honestly, in my personal opinion, is a lot cooler and better looking to me. But
they're both really beautiful. Come see them both.
Come see them both. Rooftop terrace here at Seven Hills, and everybody comes here to take pictures of the beautiful Hagia Sophia. We saw it down on the ground, so now we got to see it from the 5th floor. Liv went and got a
Turkish coffee.
Yep, and the views here are amazing. But if you don't like birds, don't come here because the birds are flying around. They feed them with the fries from the leftovers, and they come and they eat the food. But it's a spectacular view. You got the Bosphorus Sea on the other side, so definitely a place to see, especially for sunset.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. Really enjoying my birthday.
For Liv's birthday, Liv decided she wanted to eat at Deraliye Restaurant. It was a beautiful restaurant that made us feel like a sultan. I was surprised when we heard them breaking the clay pot. Oh. And come to find out, it was Liv's food. But overall, amazing flavors, and great experience for the Queen's birthday. Thank you. And we walked all the way to Ascari, I believe it's called, and from there we took the Havaist Bus all the way back to the airport, and that was 204 Turkish lira. Now, it was a short day, but a long day, and we saw some amazing things here in Istanbul, but we left a lot of space and time and places for us to come back and visit Istanbul again. So thank you guys so much for checking out our channel. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.